Are you looking for the best air purifiers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best air purifiers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Clorox Medium Room Air Purifier 11030. If you're looking for a little more coverage but don't want to break the bank, Clorox's HEPA-equipped air purifier is a great value at under $100. Designed for mid-sized rooms, it's equipped with 3-stage filtration that includes a pre-filter for larger particles and pet hair, as well as an activated carbon filter that reduces VOCs and deodorizes the air. The HEPA filter, meanwhile, captures 99.97% of airborne particles that are as small as 0.1 microns. That's smaller than the typical 0.3 microns combated by filters in this price range. Its CADR scores for smoke, pollen and dust are all at least 2/3 of the device's recommended coverage area of 225 square feet, the percentage experts recommend when choosing an air cleaner, and the gadget works extremely quickly, too. Right off the bat, you can tell just how sensitive the sensor on this is, says Chebley, who also tested this machine. Despite having this in the next room, when I am cooking, it can sense there's something in the air and I can hear the fan grow stronger. In addition to the efficient 3-stage filter, we like how quietly it operates compared with similar models. It also has an intuitive digital display that includes a child lock option, manual fan speed settings, or a mode that responds automatically to changes in indoor air quality, and a PM2.5 indicator that tells you in real time what level of unhealthy particulates are in the air. Additionally, the air purifier has a helpful air quality indicator that's color-coded with 6 levels, from bright green for good to maroon for hazardous, and we found the filter change indicator light to be incredibly convenient. In fact, I've been using 2 of these Clorox purifiers for years, and I can attest to the fact that the light consistently comes on after 6 months of daily use, like clockwork. Number 2. Coway Airmega AP1512 HHS. The Coway Airmega AP1512 HHS, the Wi-Fi connected version of the Coway Airmega AP1512HH, featured in our best air purifiers for smoke roundup, is a top choice for clearing cigarette and wildfire smoke. This is due to its smoke CADR score of 210 cubic feet per minute, CFM, which is on the high end for devices of its size. It employs a 4-stage filtration process that includes a pre-filter, a deodorization carbon filter, a true HEPA filter and a bipolar ionizer. The system effectively removes up to 99.7% of contaminants, including particles down to an impressive 0.01 microns in size, smaller than most allergens, bacteria, mold and viruses. Tobacco smoke particles are sized between 0.1 microns and 1 microns, with a peak between 0.2 microns and 0.25 microns, says Rubino. This means that consumers should purchase units that can remove particles as small as 0.1 microns to eliminate these contaminants effectively. We particularly recommend the Airmega AP1512 HHS for smoke because of its extra layer of activated carbon filtration, which experts say reduces fumes, gases, and other VOCs compared with HEPA alone. It also features real-time air quality monitoring through its brightly colored LED display. Plus, thanks to its auto mode, the fan automatically shuts off if it doesn't sense any pollution for 30 minutes to conserve energy. Adding to its accessibility, this model also connects to a mobile app via Wi-Fi, allowing you to schedule and control the device from your phone. Deputy Editor Jane Sung, whose family has used the Airmega for 5 years, says, "I like that you don't have to think much about using it. It's easy to clean, change filters and maintain overall. When cleaning it, we do notice some dust and debris buildup, so it seems like it's doing its job." Number 3. Blueair Blueair 511. This Blueair Blueair 511 is an unobtrusive, no-frills pick that's ideal for the bedroom, and like many of the brand's models, it's whisper quiet, says Deputy Editor Rose Gordon-Sala, who owns the previous version of this model. Designed for rooms up to 92 square feet, it features a true HEPA filter that removes 99.97% of airborne particles down to 0.1 microns. Its 5-layer filter also comes with an activated carbon layer that targets odors and smoke, as well as a fabric pre-filter that you can customize with the Swedish-inspired color of your choice. Sala confirms that in addition to the device actually mitigating dust allergy symptoms, the Blueair is also nice looking and easy to change. While the main filter should be replaced every 6 months, washing the fabric pre-filter helps extend its life, and you can buy 2 pre-filter colors to help the air purifier blend in whatever space you're clearing. Out of all the models featured on this list, the Blueair 511 is also one of the most user-friendly. For starters, the control panel on the top of the unit only has one button to turn the device on and off and adjust its 3 fan speeds. And at around 4 pounds, the petite unit is easy to move from room to room, so you can bring it into your home office or kids' nursery during the day and move it to a bedroom at night. Speaking of the latter, however, Sala says that one possible sore point for some sleepers is the device's light, which dims but doesn't turn off completely. She adds, "Most people, like my husband, are not bothered by the little blue light it emits, but I often wear my eye mask." Number 4. Levoit Core 400S Smart Air Purifier. For those who seek a straightforward air purifier to help combat allergy symptoms like itchy eyes and scratchy throats, the Levoit Core 400S is an especially popular choice. Senior Deals editor Kara Kuzone, who's allergic to dogs and uses this device, tells us, "Whenever I pet sit for my friend, I find myself sneezing. But after I turn on the Levoit for a bit, I notice I breathe easier and don't experience as much irritation." Further, Sala, who owns the older version of this model, shares that its filtration is helpful for her son's dust, mold, and dog allergies. The Core 400S is also a mighty unit suitable for large spaces, capable of covering up to 403 square feet in a quarter of an hour. Featuring an especially high CADR of 260 CFM, the device is equipped with a multi-filtered system, including a HEPA filter that captures 99.97% of airborne particles between 0.1 and 0.3 microns. And while at 11 pounds it's larger and heavier than some other top-rated Levoit models, it's otherwise unobtrusive, notes Chebly. On the lowest 2 settings, this machine is so quiet, there were times I had to double-check it was even on. The Levoit Core 400S comes with a couple of bonus features. 2. The sleep mode reduces noise level and dims the display lights, and there's a timer you can set at 2-, 4-, 6 and 8-hour increments on the intuitive LED display. Its automatic setting is also quite effective according to Chebly, who says, "It's pretty responsive and quick, so I highly recommend just leaving it on that setting and forgetting about it." You can also control the device and check your air quality. The device has a PM2.5 indicator from your phone, a handy feature if you ever forget to turn off your air purifier before leaving home or if you simply like to watch your machine work from afar. Number 5. Medify Air MA-112. Between its advanced H13 HEPA filters and incredible coverage, the MA-112 air purifier is excellent for cleaning the air on an entire floor, or potentially throughout your whole home if it's open enough. The advanced filters are capable of removing 99.9% of particles down to 0.1 microns, and its powerful technology can make your space fresher within a half hour. Though the device has a large footprint and weighs a considerable 33 pounds, it has wheels so you can easily move it when needed. There are also bonus features like a sleep mode, timer, and child lock, and users appreciate how quietly it operates on its lower settings, considering its size and power. In addition to open concept homes, this model from Medify is a great option for open office spaces, warehouses, and the like. However, if you're looking to purify your entire house room by room, Rubino recommends getting a dedicated whole home purification system installed, instead.